Lesson 22, Graphing Linear Equations. A linear equation is in standard form, y equals mx plus b. To graph a straight line, we're going to plug in different values for x. Pretty much we're going to plug in x is -1, x is 0, x is 1, x is 2, x is 3, and we're going to find out what y is when we put in those x values. Then we're going to plot the points. So for this first question, we're going to plug in -1, 0, 1, and 2. Make sure you use the orders of operations to find out what y is for any given x. After you find out what y is, you plot the points. We have -1, 1, 0, 3, 1, 5, and 2, 7. Connect all 4 points, straight line, use arrows because this line continues in 2 directions forever. Label the line y equals 2x plus 3, and we really don't need those lines that I was drawing to show where the coordinates are, so you shouldn't have those. Let's try the next one. This is not in standard form. Y is not by itself, so we need to isolate the y by dividing each term by 2. When we divide each term by 2, we get y equals 2x minus 4. Plug in -1 wherever you see an x. Plug in 0 wherever you see an x. Plug in 1. And then plug in 2. And now we have 4 points that lie on this line. Plot those points. Connect the coordinates. Make a straight line. Use arrows on both sides showing that the line continues on in 2 directions indefinitely, and label the line. You can label the line with the original equation, 2y equals 4x minus 8, or with the equation in standard form, y equals 2x minus 4. This next equation is not in standard form. We have to add 4 to both sides, and now our line in standard form is y equals 2x plus 4. Again, plug in the values for x. Plug in x is -1, and you'll find that y is positive 2. Plug in x is 0, and y is positive 4. When x is 1, y is 6, and when x is 2, y is 8. Go through the same motions, plot all 4 points, make a straight line with arrows on both sides, and label the line, again with the original equation or with the equation in standard form. This time I'm labeling it with the original equation, y minus 4 equals 2x. Take a minute, pause the video, and try the next one on your own. Be careful of the negatives. This line is already in standard form. Plug in -2, -1, 0, and 1. Find the y values, plot the points, and draw the line. For the next problem, graph y equals 1/2 x plus 1 and y equals 2x plus 1 on the same coordinate axes. Let's see what happens. Notice these two lines have one point in common. 0, 1. This is their intersection point. The intersection point is also known as the solution to the system of equations, which we will talk about in a lesson that's coming up. Try this last equation. You have to do 2 steps in order to put it in standard form. And after you put it in standard form, you're going to plug in values for x. I'm going to recommend that you plug in x is -1, x is 0, x is 1, and x is 2. Please try this on your own, check your answers, and good luck.